It's that Sunday afternoon with snow on the ground and cold temperatures, and I decide it's time to play. So I've got some butterfly pea flowers and I'm playing. You see I'm taking photos and rearranging them for flat lays because that's fun. But we're going to be doing some play with these. They're getting rather old, and I don't like to keep consumable goods around for years and years and years. So I have shared these in photos before. They're really pretty, but I haven't ever made a video. So now we're gonna play with a video. So I just have some water and sugar boiling to become syrup. So here's what we're doing. This butterfly pea flower is from Asia, and you brew it up just like you would tea, and it makes a tisane. I always say that wrong. Tisane and not tisane. Then what happens is when it's pH balance, I guess it is, when it changes, then it changes color. And the way you do that is by adding something citric to it. So we've got 3 lemons here. We have a lemon squeezer, and we've got something to brew it in. This is the simple syrup to make lemonade with. Okay, so I have put the butterfly pea flowers, try saying that 4 times fast, in the infuser basket, and we're going to pour some boiling water on it. So here it is brewing. We're going to brew it for 5 minutes, and while it's doing that, we're going to cut one of the lemons in half. And do the old-fashioned squeeze. This is plastic. I've seen some glass ones, but they don't have this filter on it. We like this one because it filters out all of the seeds and the juice goes down to the bottom. Cool, huh? Fast. Here, do another one. Where'd it go? There they are. So we've got 2 more lemons to do, and we'll be back. So our lemons are squeezed, but I don't think the 5 minutes is up yet. So let's talk about how we're going to do this. Now I think there's differences in like how thick your syrup is with your lemon, because what you want it to do is start out blue and turn purple, or start out purple and turn blue, whichever way it goes in your cup, and how thick the syrup is compared to how thick the butterfly pea flower tisane is what keeps them separated. So I can't remember what we did last time. I mean, you have options of, sometimes we go ahead and put the lemon and the simple syrup together and just make the lemonade. But I guess we could play with it and maybe put a little bit of lemonade in the glass and then a little bit of simple syrup and add pea flour. You know, you could pre-mix it. You could put the pea flour in the glass first, and then, yeah, let's play. So, sneak peek of the color. You see it's blue. When I took my basket out, it dribbled. You notice I keep playing with the lemons and the scene and taking flat lay photos. So it's really a rich blue. I really put too many flowers in. So I'm holding it up to the window so you can see the color of it. So I decided to put the Tisane in first because I wanted you to see the color. And I guess now we're going to put some lemon juice in. So here goes playing. We're going to put in a little bit. Whoa. Did you see it turn purple? So now I'm going to add a little bit of simple syrup. And it gets really purple. So there is the color purple. I took a taste of it warm. It's kind of odd to me warm. So here's the deal. It's getting prettier and prettier by the moment. So here's the deal. The pea flower, butterfly pea flower tea, it tastes to me like beans. I would not want to drink it by itself. So in my opinion, it's just a natural way to dye things. And you can actually mix it up and bake with it. You can put it in your frostings, in your cakes. I don't know. Anything that you would use dye with, even artificial dyes, like for Easter eggs, food coloring, that's what I'm trying to think, then you could use this for it. But this is great, mostly for tea parties, especially for tea parties with little girls. Okay, this time I put in some simple syrup and some lemons, and then I added some ice and water. So the first glass was a little too sweet, and I think because I was anxious to use up my butterfly pea flour, I used too much, and so the Tisane is very dark. So I added water, and I made a nice, fresh, good tasting lemonade. And now we're going to pour. Okay, here goes. Oh, look at it separating a little bit, but not much. Sometimes you can get it where it separates, but you got to see it turn purple. Okay, what shall we try next? Okay, so this time I'm going to try thicker. So there's a whole lot of simple syrup in here, a little bit of the lemon juice, so that hopefully this is thicker than this. And we're going to try and see what happens. Just a little bit. Ah, check that out. Isn't that too fun? The science of separation. Oh. Shall I do more? Don't shake your head. You can talk in the video.
Shake head, shake head.
Here, get down lower with it. There. Let's watch from there. You ready? Pretty soon it's all going to be mixed. I love it bouncing around the bottom here. And there we have it, ladies and gentlemen. More photography fun. Keep rearranging it and taking pictures. Hubby says, blue eyes. So we're going to do it this way. So I mixed the lemonade and the simple syrup in this little pitcher and put the Tisane in the glass. You notice we keep dumping it into the pitcher. We're going to refrigerate it and drink it next day or so. So here goes. So before I do it, this is the thicker, heavier, and the Tisane, the blue stuff, is more water-like. So this purple should be on top this time. Oh, it's not working. It's not even changing its color, and I'm running out of room. So I dumped some of it out because, like I said, I made the Tisane too dark. And I'm gonna finish putting in the rest of the simple syrup when it's not doing anything. It's even still staying blue here. Maybe it doesn't have enough. We've lost the power of love. Ooh, there it kind of goes, a deep indigo purple. Can you see it? I can see it. Look at the differences. I'm running out of ideas how to play. I know there's more ways to play. So this is the rest of the lemonade we have. And we're gonna do simple syrup. We're gonna go back to the first method. And then I'm going to pour, was this the first method? I can't remember how we did it the first time. I think so. So then I'm gonna pour, here, take the lid off because it's gonna fall. Thank you. Okay. Oops. Oh, that's what you can do. You can tilt the glass and put it in and run it down the side, but it doesn't work. I remember trying it before. There you have it. Magic. We have a whole picture made. Here comes the glorified purple lemonade. Isn't it fun? Pretty purple. Great for a party or just for a fun glass. It almost looks like Kool-Aid, but we know it's not. And for those who like adult beverages, put a little amaretto in it. Oh goodness, is that amaretto one good. But now we've made some tea because the idea of a purple Tom Collins has come to mind. Part lemonade and part tea. Ooh, the tea is still steaming hot. Ooh, look how it's separated. Too fun.